Hi Year 2s and welcome to today's Maths Extension activity. Now earlier on today you will have completed the pictogram activities and watched the video as well. So I thought I would do a more challenging pictogram activity for you, and I bet you're wondering, why has Mrs Maxwell got a bowl of fruit in front of her? What's that got to do with maths? Well, these made me think, I know, I'm going to ask my friends what their favourite fruit is and then make that into my very own pictogram today. And that is what I've done. And I'm going to show you that in a moment. I asked them whether apples were their favourite fruit, or whether grapes were their favourite fruit, or bananas, or pears. They had a choice of 4 on my pictogram today. And then I drew the pictogram out with the results. So I'm going to show it to you now. Here's my pictogram. And you can see I've drawn the pictures of the fruit. And I've drawn a key because it's really important. You will have learnt earlier that pictograms need a key. Now in your pictograms you did this morning, each picture represented 1. What do you notice about my key that I've done on my pictogram? Yes, well done. You've noticed that each picture doesn't represent 1, it represents 2. So when I'm counting up my pictogram, I need to remember to count the pictures in 2s, not in 1s. So how many of my friends liked bananas as their favourite fruit? Count now, but remember, each banana means 2 people. Let's count together. So I'm going to start from the bottom. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. If you counted 10, you got that correct. 10 of my friends like bananas as their favourite fruit. How many of my friends like grapes as their favourite fruit? Oh, not very many, Year 2s. Have a look. Well done, you've remembered that each picture represents 2 people. So there were only 2 of my friends that chose grapes as their favourite fruit. Let's go to apples next. How many of my friends liked apples as their favourite fruit? Oh, I can hear some of you saying, but that top apple isn't completely drawn, only half of it. So what does that mean, do you think, Year 2s? That's right. I had 2, 4, 6, 7 of my friends that liked apples as their favourite fruit. So to show that extra 1 to make the 7th person, I had to only draw half an apple to show that half an apple equals 1, but a full apple equals 2. And then how many of my friends liked pears as their favourite fruit? Count now. Remember, each pear equals 2 people. Let's count together. 2, 4, 6, 8. Fantastic. Well done, Year 2s. So the pictures in pictograms can represent sometimes more than 1. You really have to look carefully at the key. Each picture could represent 5 or 10, but always look at the key so that you know. Now, I'm going to ask you some questions about my pictogram. So look carefully again. What was the favourite fruit? Yes, you're right. It was bananas. What was the least favourite fruit? Well done. It was grapes. How many of my friends liked apples or pears as their favourite fruit? Remember, there's only half an apple drawn, so that means 1 in that box. You're right, it's 15 of my friends liked pears or apples as their favourite fruit. Well done. Who can tell me what is the difference between the favourite fruit on this pictogram and the least favourite fruit?
Remember, if you're finding the difference, either count on from the smallest number, or you can use your subtraction skills, Year 2s. That's right, 10 of my friends liked bananas and only 2 liked grapes. So 10 subtract 2 equals 8. The difference is 8 between the favourite fruit and the least favourite fruit. Now, on Teams Year 2s, I have put some greater depth extension pictogram activities for you to have a go at. Look very carefully at the key because each picture doesn't represent one. It represents more than one. If you have fun completing all of those, why not complete your own pictogram and draw one just like I've done? Remember, put your key so that people know how many each picture represents. Maybe you could do one where each fruit equals 5 people. I can't wait to see you having a go at the challenging greater depth pictogram activities today. And I hope you enjoyed this extension activity. Have fun with your pictograms and I look forward to seeing them on Teams later. Well done for having a go at those questions today. Bye.